here.
Give it to Granddad. That's who you're sitting. Oh, wait.
Thank you.
Watch you yank that.
Thank you.
Don't be down.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're getting better. You're getting better at this stuff, ain't you? Uh-oh, I see balls. You see balls?
The ball pit.
Ball pit.
Who is on that? Yeah.
Who is it? Who's this? Do you hear who that is?
Ran out of paper.
Yeah, I only have a little bit. I didn't realize how little I had.
What is it?
Who's on there?
Dad,
Who is it?
Dad.
Who is that?
Me.
Manny? What are you telling for Caleb?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait a minute, before you open that up, there's a couple more yet.
Oh!
You got more?
More
Happy
presents.
birthday.